Greetings and welcome to this week's asynchronous class. Today we will be talking about climate change and its effect on public health, the causes of climate change, its effects, and our roles to address and mitigate climate change. Climate change is a change in the usual weather found in a place. This could be a change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year, or it could be a change in a place's usual temperature for a month or a season. Climate change is also a change in Earth's climate. This could be a change in Earth's usual temperature, or it could be a change in where rain and snow usually fall on Earth. Weather can change in just a few hours, while climate takes hundreds or even millions of years to change. So what causes climate change? The main driver of climate change is the greenhouse effect. Some gases in the Earth's atmosphere act a bit like the glass in a greenhouse, trapping the sun's heat and stopping it from leaking back to the space and causing global warming. Although many of these gases occur organically in the atmosphere, human activity is increasing the concentrations of some of them, particularly carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. Human activities contribute immensely to increase greenhouse gases emission. Burning coal, oil, and gas produce carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Another example is cutting down forests. Trees help to regulate the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So when they are cut down, not only that beneficial effect is lost, but also carbon stored in the trees is released into the atmosphere, adding to the greenhouse effect. Also, increasing livestock farming is another alarming activity, for that cows and sheep produce large amounts of methane when they digest their food. Fertilizers containing nitrogen produce nitrous oxide emissions, and finally, fluorinated gases are emitted from equipment and products that use these gases. Such emissions have a very strong warming effect, up to 23,000 times greater than carbon dioxide. Climate change has destructive effects on the environment. Temperature rise, changes in precipitation patterns, and sea level rise are few examples of these effects. Effects of climate change are not limited to the environment. Climate change poses a serious threat to public and global health as well, and it's affecting the world by disruptions of physical, biological, and ecological systems. Health effects of these disruptions include increased respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, injuries, and in some cases, premature deaths related to extreme weather events, changes in the prevalence and geographical distribution of food and water-borne illnesses and other infectious diseases, in addition to threats to mental health. So what can we do? Well, luckily, there's a lot to be done, and all of us, each and every one of us, can take a role. A few things that you can do is to power your home with renewable energy. This way, you will save the planet and save yourself some dollars. Reduce water waste. Saving water reduces carbon pollution too. That's because it takes a lot of energy to pump, heat, and treat your water. Pull the plugs, drive a field-efficient vehicle, or even better, consider walking or biking to places. It's not only good for the environment, it's also good for your health. Recycle, recycle, recycle. Almost all places have a recycling bin, so all you have to do is to toss your recyclable waste in the right place. And finally, speak up. Be an advocate. Talk to your family, friends, classmates, or even people you meet on the bus or in the elevator. All of us are in this together. And when we work together, we can achieve better results. And remember, change can always start with you. Thank you.